Alright, we are on Le Chatelier. Page 7. And here's the reaction. The rest. I ran out of room. You have 2 molar of this, 1 molar H plus, 1 molar I minus, and 1 times 10 to the negative 5th molar of this Cr3 plus. What you have to know is that standard voltage, which is represented as E with a naught, a degree sign, is where everything is 1 molar. And then you'll be asked questions about if things aren't 1 molar, how does it change from standard voltage? So notice we have more reactant, and according to Le Chatelier, if we have more reactant, we make product. We also have less product, and as we have less product, we make product. And as you make product, you make voltage. Voltage equals product. So my non-standard voltage is actually going to end up being greater than my standard voltage, since more voltage will be produced. The next one has a 1.0 times 10 to the negative 5th concentration for dichromate, 1 molar for hydrogen, 1 molar for iodine, and then 2 molar for the chromium. So this time we have more product and we'll make reactants. We have fewer reactants, so we make reactants. And we're comparing all this to 1 molar, so those are not going to be there. So this time the reaction does not make as much product. The reaction has more formation of reactants. So the non-standard voltage is going to be less than the standard voltage at 1 molar. The next reaction is 2Ag plus CO yields 2Ag plus CO2 plus. The concentrations they give us are of silver and cobalt. 1 molar is standard, so we're comparing to the standard. This one has less than 1 molar, so it's going to make more product. So that means the non-standard voltage would be greater than the standard voltage. So same reaction, but this time they give you some information. The AP test would have something like the KSP of AgCl is 3.3 times 10 to the negative 10th. I don't know what it is, but it's close to that. Which means that if I have Ag and Cl ions in solution, then they are going to form a precipitate. So this says what happens to the voltage if sodium chloride is added. So I'm adding sodium chloride. Well, the Ag and the Cl will precipitate out of solution. They will be made into a solid. So I'm decreasing reactant, which makes more reactants be favored. So the non-standard voltage will be less than the standard voltage. The last one, same idea. Cu plus nickel. Cu is 0.05. Nickel is 1 molar. Reactants are favored, so my non-standard voltage will be less than my standard voltage.